everyone, it is Jonathan Akazdashir and welcome here to my YouTube channel. आज मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे बांग्लादेशी स्टाइल में मुर्ग पुलाव बना सकते हैं। तो चलिए देख लेते हैं आज की बकरी ईद स्पेशल में मैंने कैसे बनाया, और आप लोग भी घर पे यही रेसिपी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो फिर एक लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। चलिए देख लेते हैं कैसे। जस्ट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। At first I have took 500 grams of chicken and 100 grams of curd. Then I'm adding a little bit of garam masala like 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder and salt and sugar according to taste. Make sure you mix the salt and sugar only one time itself, because after that we will not be mixing. Then I'm going to heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, you say. If you do not like clarified butter, you can add butter or oil as well. Then I'm adding a medium onion chopped and I'm going to cook it until it is transparent. After that, I'm mixing 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste and I'm frying it until the raw smell is gone. Then I'm going to add some khara garam masala like bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, a little bit of jawitri and 2 cardamom pods. And I'm going to cook it until the aroma is coming. Then I'm adding 3 raw green chilies, just it. I'm going to add all the chicken marination and going to fry it for minimum 10 minutes, and after frying it for 10 minutes I'm going to cover it with a lid, and then again after opening the lid I'll be mixing a little bit of cumin powder, turmeric powder and a little bit of red chili powder for a pinkish color on the dish. After mixing all the masalas, I'm just going to cover it with a lid and going to leave it for more 10 minutes. As you can see, our chicken is almost 15% ready. And now I'm going to stir it very gently and going to cover it with lid again. And after opening the lid, as you can see, our chicken is almost done. Just going to cover it lid for more 2 minutes just to make sure chicken is not raw. And opening up, our chicken is fully ready. Now I'm going to keep the chicken aside on a different dish. After keeping the chicken aside, I'm going to mix 200 grams of soaked basmati rice. You can use jasmine rice or any short grain rice as well, but I'm mixing basmati rice because it is better. And then I'm just mixing it so it is not sticking to the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, and then I'll be adding 200 milliliters of milk. Make sure the milk is hot, and then I will be adding a cup of water and mixing and covering with the lid. Now as you can see, after 10 minutes our rice is ready. Now we can start the layering process. For layering, I'm going to use my pressure cooker and I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee with a little bit of cumin seeds. After adding the chicken on the layer, just make sure chicken is nicely spread all over the pressure cooker. Then I'm going to add the spicy rice what we have made before, and top of that I'm going to add some green chilies. Yes, I'm using raw green chilies again because I love it, and a little bit of coriander chopped finely. Then I'm going to add some dry fruits like dry apricots, raisins, and a little bit of cashews, and a very small amount of aloo bukhara. Then I'm adding keora water, rose water, and a garam masala mixture. If you want, you can mix a little bit of saffron color as well. I'm going to cover it with a lid and waiting for one whistle to come. As you can see, after one whistle our rice is fully ready. Now I'm just going to give it a quick stir from the flea and we will be ready to serve. Make sure you give a very gentle stir from the bottom. Do not be very harsh in this time. Now cover it once again and take out the whistle from the pressure cooker and let the all air pass out. Do let me know in the comment section down below how you guys like this recipe and how you enjoyed it. I'm serving my pulao with some basic salad and a little bit of lemon slices. You can also serve it with some boiled egg. As you can see, my biryani have a very beautiful sticky consistency and the chicken is also juicy and tender. I'm just loving it. Happy Bakri Eid to all of you. Make it at home and enjoy. आप लोगों को मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो फिर कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा, लाइक कर दीजिएगा, एक बार सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा मेरे चैनल को मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए, और मुझे जरूर बताइएगा कि आप लोगों को फ्यूचर में किस तरह के वीडियोस देखना चाहेंगे. और until then, stay tuned. See you on my next video. Bye guys.